name is 𝗂𝗄𝗀. I am currently a first-year computer science student at University Science Malaysia. Coding is fun because it allows you to express your creativity by building and creating in Scratch. You have to use your own imagination and logic to come up with a solution to create something interesting. Today, I'm going to share with you all how to add effects in your Scratch project. So this is what you see when you first create a new Scratch project. Then first, we would like to choose a new sprite. So you can choose a sprite that you want. Maybe this time I would like to choose a dark sprite. Then I delete the cat. And I resize it. Okay. To add the effect, we can go to the looks category and find the change color effect. Okay, here is it. When we press on it, the duck will change the color. So to return to the original, we can find the clear graphic effect. Press on it, so the duck will return to its original. And we try another effect. Maybe we try the fish eye. And we press on it. Okay, this is the fish eye effect. And we try on the wheel. This is the wheel effect. We also can try on the pixelate. Okay, this is the pixelate effect. And lastly, maybe we can try one more effect, which is mosaic. Okay, this is the mosaic effect. Then, to repeat the effect, we can go to the control category, choose the repeat. Put it here. So this time I would like to repeat my color effect. So maybe this time we can repeat 5 times. Okay. So I press on it. Okay, the duck will change the color in repeat 5 times. Maybe we change another effect. We change to mosaic. Okay. So we also will repeat 5 times. Other than that, we also can add some sound effect. Okay. We go to the sound category and find the play sound. Yeah, here is it. I put here. So we can change the effect first. Maybe we change to the color effect. Then we press on it. Yeah, this is the result. It will repeat the change color effect 5 times. Then we'll go to the play sound dark effect. Next, we can have a try in a new sprite. So this time, I would like to choose this drum kit. Okay. Then I will invisible the dark sprite first. The drum kit. So for the drum kit, I would like to choose the sound effect. Okay. First, I choose this sound effect. Maybe I choose the high tom. This one? Yeah. Maybe we can choose another one. This time we can choose drum bass 3. Maybe we choose one more. For the last one, maybe we just choose the low tom. Yeah. So if I want to repeat this rhythm, we can go to control and repeat. Okay. Then maybe this time I would like to repeat twice. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. You all can experiment different effects in your projects. Lastly, I am a code sister. Come join the fun and code with me. Bye!